I just made it.
Five,
Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really
four,
three, stunning out here.
two, one. Ladies and gentlemen, please
So we're over here,
welcome.
everybody. So today I'm going to try this here blue job. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. I am trying to get this bluing off right here. I don't think it's gonna help. Have you guys ever used blue job? Let's go ahead and see if this works now. So the instructions say it comes in like this powdery form. Buddy gave it to me. This, I'm gonna dab a little water. Then I'm gonna dab it, just like so. And I'm gonna cake it on there. It says I'm gonna need some elbow grease. Let me get some bronze wool. Bronze wool is good for 000 or quadruple 0. It's pretty abrasive. Dab some of that.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. I can see myself. 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 If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. No.
Not as bad as it once was. Let's go get this stuff here. This stuff comes in a can.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against